I don't know how you feel after seeing the specs and the prices of the Vivo X Fold 5, but for me, I can't help but feel it's a shame because it comes with a processor that's about to become outdated. What's even more disappointing is you will never get to buy an X Fold 5 Pro with the Snapdragon 8 Elite because they've cancelled the Pro version this year. Compared to the hardware, the main upgrades on the X Fold 5 are all in the software. What really surprised me is they've achieved something no one has managed before, an Android phone that works seamlessly with Apple devices. That's the X Fold 5's biggest selling point, the ultimate backup phone for Apple ecosystem users. If you're interested in the X Fold 5 after watching this video, don't forget to check out geekwheels.com. The link is below the video. You don't need to understand how the X Fold 5 syncs with an iPhone, MacBook, or even an Apple Watch. Just know that the collaboration is incredibly smooth. Let's start with iPhone. All you need to do is download EasyShare app on your iPhone, grant the permissions, and you're good to go. So what can these two phones do once connected? First, of course, they can handle calls and messages simultaneously. Anyone who's used both iOS and Android knows the struggle. When a call calls in on other phone, you have to put down the phone you hold to answer it. The same goes for receiving SMS verification code. It's a hassle. But with X Fold 5, this problem is solved. The only downside is that it can only receive the information. You will still need your iPhone to make calls or send texts. However, compared to iPhone, what really blows my mind is how well it works with a MacBook. By installing the Vivo Office Suite on your Mac, you can remotely control your Mac from your phone and even share info on the clipboard. This isn't groundbreaking. X Fold 3 China version already did that last year. But what's truly impressive are the other functions. Take this for example, the keyboard and mouse sharing feature. It lets your mouse break free from physical limits, moving seamlessly from your Mac screen to your phones. The same goes for your keyboard. This means you can control both systems with just one mouse and one keyboard. Perfect for those who love a clean desk. Last week, we showcased the Redmi K-Pad's wireless screen extension feature, and the X Fold 5 has it too, with a similar low latency performance. In the X Fold 5's file manager, you will even find iCloud. Sure, it's just a web interface for iCloud, no different from accessing iCloud.com on Chrome, but at least it shows Vivo's effort to support Apple users. But here's the bad news. As you can see, the Vivo Office Suite doesn't have a global version yet. If you don't understand Chinese, using it might drive you crazy. Your Apple Watch can also sync with the X Fold 5. Like the iPhone, it can receive messages and answer calls, but it can't send messages or make calls. Health data from the Apple Watch can also sync to the X Fold 5. One thing to note, you will still need an iPhone to activate a new Apple Watch. This is one of the main reasons the X Fold 5 can only serve as a secondary device for Apple users. Beyond integrating with the Apple ecosystem, what else has Vivo done? On the software side, they've redesigned the multi-window interface. You can now run 5 apps at the same time at the front, with a window layout adjusting based on app types. That's it for software upgrades. Now let's talk about its other features and design. We got the green version, which is the color Vivo is pushing the most. It's similar to the red version of the X200 Ultra. Both feature high saturation but low brightness, giving them a gemstone-like tone. The X Fold 5's thickness and weight are impressively controlled, especially the gray version. Thanks to its fiberglass back cover, it's one of the lightest book-style foldable phones in the world. The X Fold 5 also boasts IPX8 and 9 water resistance, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, 80-watt wired charging, and 40-watt wireless charging. There are only 2 downsides: no official stylus support, and of course, the processor. The X Fold 5 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Do you know what that means? In 3 months, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 will be launched, making this phone's processor 2 generations behind flagship standards. So, if you're planning to use this phone for heavy gaming, it might not meet your expectations. But there are things you would definitely love: the screen and the camera. The screen specs are identical to the X Fold 3's, and the camera is on par with the X Fold 3 Pros, both top tier in the foldable phone market. The camera's real performance sits somewhere between the X200 Standard and Pro models, delivering excellent photos most of the time. So final thought, if you're not too demanding about the performance, the X-Fold 5 remains one of the best foldable phones to buy, especially for iPhone users looking for an Android backup. It's practically part of the Apple ecosystem, with the Mac connectivity even stronger than iPhone. If Apple weren't already working on its own foldable phone, I'd be tempted to crown the X-Fold 5 as the iFold, because it deserves it. Alright, don't forget to check out the link below the video if you want to buy this phone. I'm Will from Gizmochina, and we'll see you next time.